Hey, Bucky, how you doing? How's your day? Well, I'm doing pretty good. How are you doing? Well, Bucky, I've got some bad news. What's that? Well, turns out YouTube has shadow banned us. Why? Well, it seems that the random seed group that they use doesn't like us anymore. Oh, that's bullshit. That's really fucked up. Well, I agree. But you know what? We're going to keep doing our content, and I think eventually it'll come back around and we'll be popular again. I hope so. This is a bunch of bullshit. Alright? You two, you suck. Hey. Be nice, be fair. It's part of the algorithm, and that's just how it goes sometimes. Sometimes life is not fair. Yeah, you're right. It's a bunch of shit, but you're right. Okay. Alright, we love you, you two. Alright, well, let's get back to making good content, okay? Alright.